Hello my beautiful friends, welcome everyone. I cannot believe it that I've been waiting good few weeks with opening those collage books. I have to say I've been very patient, but enough is enough. We've been in Barcelona for Easter and right now I'm recording this, it's the end of June, and by the time you're watching today's video it's probably even July or August, so it's been a while. Let's see what's inside. I got them in Gaudi Park in Barcelona in like a souvenir shop, and when I saw them there was more things, actually much bigger, heavier books, but I was like, no, first of all I'm doing my own images right now, so do I really need to get those heavy books that I barely can fit in my suitcase? So I couldn't help myself to get these two. They were the cutest looking as well, so let's see what's inside those. Can't remember the pricing, no there is no, but around something around 20-30, something like that. I honestly didn't check much what's in them. I wasn't really interested to find out really what's inside. I was excited to see something from Barcelona, like a souvenir, and also just to enjoy something that is probably a different style that I'm making my own things. Let's see what's inside. I'm not sure which one to start with. Let's start with the smaller one, shall we? I think so too. There was some little card on the back. Oopsie, card on the back, collage notebook. So this includes 24 Barcelona collage postcards ready to trim and customize. Okay, it's a little heavy little booklet. Looks like it's a mix of two things. Oh yes, I'm right. So we've got just a regular notebook with empty pages. Okay, and then we have collage images. Okay, let's see those. So we've got some vintage flowers. We've got some more vintage flowers. Very delicate, very difficult to cut, to fussy cut, and they are here near to the edge, so definitely harder to do. Space very well used because you have upside down, so you fit more, but I don't know, the quality of the imagery itself, this is nice. Pity it's too near the edge. That's from the Parkwell. That's the Triumph thingy from Barcelona. We actually didn't see this one. Some vintage birds. Those are really images, and those are the postcards, is it? Those are really the images that you probably have seen before. I like this one a lot. This could be done nicely when you have some image of the Barcelona of Sagrada Familia. Am I right? No, Ginimac, I can't. I think I'm right, and then you have some watercolor images and stuff. So some collage. Do you know what? It's a pity because we could do these ourselves in the project. So you could have, like, you know, the old style kind of. Let me show you. I actually prepared that purposely. Years back we've purchased this book, and truth to be told, I actually didn't. I don't think I've used anything from this book. And these days, looking at it, I'm thinking, I have used something, some bird, but truthfully, I don't know. It's very vintage. It's very specific theme, vibe, style. Not for everyone. Certainly not for me. So it does give me a little bit of this booklet. This booklet gives me a little bit of vibe of that book because you've got the collage where you put weird elements with each other. But unfortunately, it's already put for you, which is lovely, but it would be fantastic if we could have a little bit of that kind of play ourselves, but no, everything is ready-made. So I guess, do I like this little booklet? Nah, no. It's inspirational to look, but I don't know, you can probably use this as postcards, indeed. But I don't know. I think I have been expecting something a little bit more, but I don't know. I don't know what I have been expecting, actually. But I think I was hoping that we'd be able to make the collage ourselves. Collage notebook, postcards ready. I guess if I would read it very much so properly, I probably would see more. But you know, you can probably use these elements and still add to those. So okay, 50-50. Let's say 50-50. I like it. 50-50. So maybe this one will be slightly different. 500 images to create collages. Ooh, okay. All right, I like the actual booklet. I like the booklet. Oh, I don't like the paper. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, no. No, the paper quality, it's okay. It's thick-ish. And it's the butterflies very average, like I have seen better. Very average flowers. They're not that great. They're very vintage, but certainly not pretty. I don't think it. I don't know. It's like not my cup of tea. Maybe I'm just into too much. Sorry, into too much cutesy or something. It's just, I don't know. Very vintage. Very average images. I've seen better these days. Honestly, they're okay. Like as a souvenir from Barcelona, I don't feel this is like, is it like, I don't know, is it, well, it's actually not written that it's from Barcelona or anything. Okay, so no, I'm taking this back, as in, okay, it's nothing to do with Barcelona, it's images, images, images. They're okay. I love the booklet. See, I love that. I love this. Now you can see better. I love the actual booklet, how it was closed, you know? That was cool. That's actually so cool. How it's made, and that's, you know, that is actually super. But the images are, I don't know. That's okay. That's, I don't know. I'm not wowzer about them. Like, this is very, like, normal photograph. I don't know. Let's see. Sorry for the phone call. Some instruments, some vintage images. Some. I guess it's okay. I guess it's okay. It's a nice souvenir from Barcelona. But will I be using this anytime soon? No. Am I disappointed? Maybe a little bit. I don't know. I just have been expecting maybe something else in my mind. I don't know. It's just not my cup of tea anymore, I guess. Tons of black and white people. I love this page the most. This one. Give me more of these pages, guys. Give me more of these pages. Like, I don't know. Everything seems to be like outdated, vintage. But even like, this is not even vintage. It's like, I don't know, old postcards or something. I don't know. I don't know. Let me have a quick peek through this. Oh, I like this one. The flowers, like, I mean, no. Even in the themes, I think, honestly, you could have, like, the choice between the poses, the faces, and the colors, like, it's great. But would I use any of these animals? No, I doubt it highly, like... No, some of them are just really, really bad quality images as well. Very bad editing skills, actually. So someone is just, I don't know. I have to make and propose my booklet in Gaudi Gardens in their souvenir store. I'll make something. But honestly, I'm a little bit disappointed. No, no. Look. You may love it totally, and that's fine. Someone else may just totally not like it, and that's fine too. I think the thing is as well that our preferences changes, you know, our visions changes. Like, we are changing so much. So I think since my booklets came out, my books, my collage books, I just think that I maybe have learned a lot in that year. Maybe I have seen a lot in that year. Maybe I felt a lot in that year. So for now, I'm going to say no to these two. Sadly, because yeah, I don't know. I just think that they could be better. If you disagree with me, let me know your thoughts. If you agree with me, let me know your thoughts. I'm all ears, but I wonder what you think, honestly. Maybe it's only me really feeling this way. Maybe I'm overthinking and overreacting. Maybe it's because I don't maybe because I just see my books now and it's just so different to see other things. I don't know. But I wonder your opinion. Let me know in the comment section down below. But for now, I think I'm gonna go. Thank you so much. As always, a pleasure to be in your homes, and I'm so glad I finally opened it. Maybe I will challenge myself and try to use it. Who knows? But for now, have a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.